get to the bottom of to supersize and grow your business. Heart, root cause, bottom. What do we need to get to the bottom of? This is actually a core, of course, a toilet paper core. All of us have probably seen these in our lifetime. Today our idiom, our expression for supersize your business is to get to the bottom of something, right? What do we need to get to the bottom of in order to grow and build and supersize our business? This is another idiom that comes from the nautical world. It's nautical terminology that was used by sailors and shipbuilders because it was used to describe the lowest point in the ship. The lowest point of the hull is in the bottom of the ship. And usually it's underwater, which means something or a problem with the hull, if the boat was in the water, was probably underwater and hidden in some way, shape, or form. And it came to mean pretty quickly, relatively quickly, like in the 17th or 18th century, to uncover or figure something out. To me, I just say, go figure it out. I don't say, but I have literally said hundreds and hundreds of times in my life, let's get to the bottom of this. Let's figure out what's going on. Let's figure out what's really going on. What's the root cause of the problem, not just the symptoms that we're seeing or the negative results or the problems that we're finding with respect to a product or service or situation. Let's figure out how we can, number one, find out what the root cause is so we can eliminate that and prevent it or any other ways of it showing up in our business or our life from happening again. That's what my corporate career was pretty much all about, was solving problems and finding the root cause of problems, doing quality, detailed investigations and analysis so that we could find that root cause of the problem. So how do you use this in your business? How do we use this to grow and build and supersize our business? Well, number one, we need to have a mindset and a mentality that we're in the business to solve problems, make things better for people, provide value, give them what they expect, and actually deliver way more than they expect. I am a firm believer in the under-promise and over-deliver philosophy, because early in my corporate career, I worked for some individuals who promised the world even things that we weren't technologically capable of producing or doing, and no one else in the world was either, that came back to bite us in the you-know-what over and over and over again, yet it never bit the people that were making the promises. It bit other people in the organization. And that organization ended up having to actually close 13 of its 15 locations because of their inability to deliver on things that they had the sales department promise. So I've done literally thousands of quality investigations throughout my life and my career, and quality audits and things. Audits, to me, I love audits, unlike most people, because I use them as a tool to uncover areas for us to improve and be better. A lot of people use audits as report cards, like in school, which I don't know about you, but if I was getting A's, I liked my report card. If I didn't get an A, I didn't like my report card sometimes. So it depends on how we like being judged by outside sources. I never liked it very much, so I'd rather judge myself and do my own internal audits and things, internal investigations, and things that lead to real change and real results. My favorite way to get to the heart of the matter, the root cause, is to ask questions and listen with both my ears to the answers. I often say people will tell us everything we need to know to help them, to serve them, to understand them, if we just ask questions and then close our mouths and listen to the response. So I'd love to know your favorite way to get to the bottom of the thing. What's your favorite way to investigate things? Do you have a tool or a strategy that you use? Or I have a lot of different tools in my toolbox for everything, and one of those is a worksheet. It's just a little question and answer worksheet that I ask whenever I'm doing a root cause analysis, because I believe we got to get to the root or the heart of the matter, get to the bottom of things in order to make sure that we're solving the right problem. That's it. Have an awesome day. That's our idiom for today. Get to the bottom of something to build and grow and supersize your business. If I can help you in any way, if you've got any idioms you would love or are just dying to know the origin of, just hit me up and ask. Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow with another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where and when does it come from, if available? And how might you use it to build and grow and supersize your business right now? Have a great day, and I'll, of course, be with you tomorrow.